Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gia and I am Lux for Less, and I buy and sell designer handbags from Japan, auctions, thrift stores, and then I sell them to you at handbag sales. Today's video is by request. I've had some requests for cleaning videos and before and after videos. So this one is a before and after video. I am going to restore this Gucci leather bag. At least I'm gonna try. So watch this video. Let's see together if this beautiful or once beautiful Gucci tote is worth saving. You can see how bad it is. Come closer like this, how bad it is. But I have faith that we can restore this. Okay, so I got a leather restorer, and I also already had a leather cleaner, 2 different brands. I did not go with the brand, the cleaner that I got the restorer, because I already had the cleaner. So we're gonna do the cleaning part of it first, and then we're gonna wait 30 minutes for it to dry, and then we're gonna use the restorer and see if it works. I'm very excited about this. So please comment below if you have any questions. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, but most importantly, hit that notification bell so it can alert you to all my future handbag sales and how-to videos and reviews and etc., etc., etc. Okay, so let's dive right in right now and let's get started. Okay, so you first need to get a soft cloth, or you can use a soft brush. And we're going to use the Apple product leather cleaner. I already had that. And we're going to first clean the bag all over. We're going to gently rub it throughout the bag and clean it, and then we're going to let it dry for 30 seconds. Okay, so here is the bag. We are going to use the soft cloth. You can use a soft brush as well. And we're gonna pour some on here. And then we are going to gently rub in circles to get all the dirt and grime out. Okay, I'm gonna put it down. I just wanted to show you up close. Look at that already, a little bit cleaning it off. So in circles, gently, because when you restore or do anything in anything you have, handbag, car, anything, you always want to clean it. Clean the palette first. So that's what we're doing. We're going to let that sit for 30 minutes, like I said earlier. And then we're going to you can see right there, I'm just gently rubbing it, getting it in there, and then letting it dry. Of course, these areas right here are gonna absorb a little bit more because it's a lot more rough. We got to get into all the areas. And like I said, you can use a soft brush as well. A soft cloth, a soft brush. I like when I hear back from my subscribers in regards to like things that I can try, things I can do. Because it also, you know, I learn too from you guys. And if you have a better way of doing something, it's nice to hear from you. That way I can share it with all the other subscribers. Okay? Okay, so that side's done. not gonna touch the actual straps because they are actually in really good shape and there's no like scuff marks or anything on these, so I'm not gonna work on that. So you can see here, I'm not saying this is all dirt, this is like from the black handbag, but I did what I needed to do, what it says. I follow directions. And you can go over it a little bit to see if you missed any spots, especially the ones where you actually really need it to be covered. I want to make sure that's all clean. Okay, so now we're going to let it sit and absorb in there for 30 minutes and then we'll come back to it. Okay, it's been over 30 minutes now. As you can see, I taped up the handles where I'm going to be putting the Restorer around it and the Gucci logo as well, because those were in good shape. And now I went outside because I don't know how messy it's going to be. I used one glove, and this is the leather color Restorer that I bought, and I bought it on Amazon. And it says to shake well before using. So I got my glove. I got the little thing that it came with the Restore. It's a little brush that you're gonna paint right on the bag. And then we will see how it comes out. Ready to go. Let's get going on this. Okay, so we're gonna get started now. I'm gonna dip that in there. I don't really know how much to put. I'm just gonna kind of put a little bit on there first. It says to first try an inconspicuous area. And so I'm gonna try more the bottom. And it looks like it's taking it really well. So I'm gonna just start kind of doing it all over. And this Restore dries very quickly. It does say that on the bottle. It dries very quickly, so you need to then kind of, as you apply it, you need to go, I guess, fairly quickly in one swoop, and then you can go back a second time or find the areas that you missed or didn't really get the first time. But as you can see there, it's working and I'm excited. The thing is, this Gucci tote, it was pilling all over. So, but there were some areas where the leather was still good. So this is a great Restorer for bags that are maybe not pilling all over. This was really a bad tote, and you'll see later in the video that it really worked great, this product. But you can still see the areas of the tote where it was pilling and the material was not, like the leather was kind of gone by then. But as you can see here, look at that. It's amazing. And I will have this in the description below. I got it on Amazon. I forgot how much I paid, but that little brush came with it and it came with directions. And I think I'm going to use it for a lot of my other leather bags. I had different colors. This one is black. So they had white, they had brown. So for any other kind of leather bags you have. And I will have that in the description below. So that way, if you wanted to order it, you can as well. So I'm going to finish this up on the front side, and then I will show how it looks. Okay, so I got most of it done. I just left a little bit on the top for you, on the top right, so you can kind of see. So if you can see there on the top right, it's all white or scuffed up. You can kind of see the difference. Obviously, it's amazing, but you can see the imperfections of the bag. Like I said, it was pilling really bad. The bottom of the bag was great because it wasn't pilling there. Most of the middle part, and especially the sides of this bag, was very poor condition. But you can see it's taking it. It definitely needs another coat. And now I'm gonna put right here. I just want to show it to you. Just look at that. And it's so simple. It's very simple. You just gotta, like I said, it dries quickly. So get in there and then make sure you don't leave like blotches, because it will dry like that. So you don't want it to like leave blotches. Once I did that, then I kind of went over it again. So that way it all looked like one color, not looking like streaks of paint. So that is how it looks. And I will now work on the other side, and I will show it to you in its entirety. Okay, so now you can see it here. There's my doggy in the background. Anyways, you can see the front that I already finished. I still have to do the back, but I wanted to at least show you. And it still has to dry. And then I have to do another coat of the areas I missed. And there is the back. So there is the before. Awful. And then I have to still paint that. And then there is the after. What a difference. Okay. I finished doing my handbag. Look at this. Here's the front. And here's the back. And I thought I recorded the back, but I didn't. It wasn't on record. So that's why I'm recording now, to show you the final product. As you can see here, this is where it was all pilling. There is no more leather in some of these areas. So you can see the cracking, but overall, see, like it wasn't cracking down there, and I painted there and it looks great. And then the back, and then I even painted or restored or whatever in here, which looks great here, because it really wasn't any damage here. It just had a couple of scuff marks. You see it stopped here, and so I painted there. And like I said, it dries very quickly, but this one looks so much better than when we first started. Now, I don't really think it's, I don't know. I know a lot of people are gonna have some bad comments like, I could have done this, I could have done that. All I'm doing is showing you that there is a color restore for your leather bags. I have different colors, and this one was not in the best condition to begin with. As you can see, there is pilling, and it's like all the leather is gone over here. So I can only do so much to this one, but it's a great product for something that you kind of want. You have scuff marks on your leather and you want to just kind of restore it and make it look new. It's definitely great for that. But I just wanted to show you the before and after on this one. Please comment below, let me know what you think. Please hit the like button, please subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I will be doing a cleaning video next, my next video. And I also have a couple more things coming in from Japan. Coming in from Japan again. I love buying. So until next time, I will see you later. Take care.